Hello guys, this is my first time to make vlog and ito, dumating na yung ating in-order na Boss GT1. In-order ko to sa Toman for 175 USD. So, pero sa atin, around 8,500 to 8,700 pesos. Then, I'm planning to buy a cheaper one adapter, but I suggest bili kayo ng mas magandang adapter, so no hassle and para walang issue. So bili kayo ng original na Boss, which is $27 US, so around times 50. At ayun, original. Kayo yung bibili ng mumurahing adapter, so invest, mas maganda kung mag-invest kayo. Okay, so let's unbox. So, unbox natin siya. So, may frame battery, AA. So, ito na siya. And there's the Boss GT1, bagong bago. So ito yung adapter, wala siyang kasama kundi this one only, Boss GT1 and the manual and the battery. Alright, and then the adapter, power adapter. Just buy original Roland Boss for Boss GT1 adapter. So let's go, try natin to.